So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to your facebook.com and just simply log in into your account. And now from here, just simply click on your profile icon and a drop down will show up, and just simply click on the settings and privacy. So now from here, you will see this settings over here. And after that, you'll be able to see the sidebar over here and just scroll down until you see over here blocking. So now click on this, and from here guys, just simply click on edit over here on the block users tab, and now just simply click on see your block list, and you'll be able to see here the list of the people that you have a block, and from there you'll be able to see here the unblock button, and from there just click on confirm, and from there you'll be able to unblock people. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!